Hi, my name is Attorney Walter with Hnot the Third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. We're going to be doing 33 of the top 200 Social Security disability questions that you are likely to hear at your Social Security disability hearing. I've modified this one a little bit to kind of get right to the point. It's not exactly what you'd hear in there, but it will teach you the right lesson. So that's kind of the point. If I gave you the actual question, it wouldn't teach you much. The question is, we analyze medically significant tests to assess the validity of your disability severity. Can you tell me what medically relevant tests, such as MRIs, CAT scans, CT scans, blood tests, hearing tests, that you have undergone within the past 5 years? So, one more time. We analyze medically significant tests to assess the validity of your disability severity. All right, so what this question is about is making you put your nickel down. What objective medical evidence do you have that can prove that you're as bad as you claim you are? Right? Oh, I don't need objective evidence. Yeah, you do. All right, so let's go through this. A lot of people out there will go ahead and not have medical evidence. I have tons of them. They are the homeless and low income. We usually have to get them a CE, consultative examination review, to go ahead and do a medical review of them to go ahead and get enough medical to even have an adjudication on the claim. But the bottom line is, for a lot of you, you've had imaging, you've had some sort of objective test, which either proves that you have a severe impairment or not. So, what I'm pointing at here is, this question asks the very, very difficult and pointed aspect of what objective medical evidence do you have that proves your claim. And here's why. A lot of the administrative law, that's Sweetie in the corner chewing up things that are on the green screen. So what this means is that administrative law judges usually, a lot of them do, but most of them don't read the entire record ahead of time. Okay, some of them do. Some of them do it religiously, and that's amazing. But some of them don't. They go to the hearing, and that's the first time they're reading the actual file. And when that happens, it's good to have an attorney with an opening statement that kind of, breaks everything down. But if you don't, have an attorney that did that, or just don't have an attorney in general, then it is wise to help the judge out know exactly your time frames and facilities that you went to for those medical exams and the objective medical tests that were done, because the judge is going to go straight to those to see if they meet the listing requirements. Okay, that's the main focus of that. The judge is going to hear, okay, I had an MRI on such and such date. Okay, which facility? Boom, goes right to the F folder. Boom, there it is in the evidence. Now I'm going to read it. So that's what's really happening behind the scenes, behind the curtain. That helps them kind of set the stage for the timeline of figuring out when you might have become severe enough too, because it gives them a point that they can go ahead and reference. All right. My name is Attorney Walter with Hnot the Third. I'm with Disability Resolution PA, an Orlando, Orange County-based Social Security disability law firm. If you have a unique question for your unique claim, or you want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call. 8 to 10 every Thursday, I go live on YouTube. So if you want to catch up, give me a call. That's Eastern Standard Time. Also, subscribe. Also, feed me some 5-star reviews. Google, Avo, BBB. I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.